Was in the previous video, we have learned how to calculate the inverse of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now, in this video, we will try to learn how to calculate the inverse of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Let us take an example. Suppose capital A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Let its element be A, B, C in the first row, X, Y, Z in the second row, and P, Q, R in the third row. Now this is a square matrix. As per rule of inverse, we can find the inverse of a square matrix only when the matrix is a non-singular matrix. What it means? That we will try to find out the value of determinant A. The value of determinant A. This determinant A. This determinant A you should write here as A, B, C, then X, Y, Z, then P, Q, R. This is the determinant, symbol for determinant. You know it. You are familiar with this symbol. So determinant A, you have to find. Now, the value of determinant A, how to expand this determinant? For expansion, we should obey the sign rule, that is plus, minus, plus, then minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This rule we have to follow. And this rule is also discussed in the previous video, that whenever you are going to expand a determinant, you have to start with plus sign and alternate sign will be there. Alternate sign below there. And all alternate signs are here. You can observe. Now, suppose you want to expand along the first row. Along the first row. Now, along this first row, you have here the sign plus, minus and plus. So what to write here? You have to write A with plus sign. So plus A. Now, after writing plus A, you have to delete the row and column in which A lies. After deleting row and column, that is deleting ABC and deleting AXP, we have a determinant of 2 cross 2 order. That is Y, Z, Q and then R. Again, for writing B, we have to take minus sign. So with minus B, we again try to delete the row and column in which B lies. That is ABC and here BYQ. If we delete this row and column, we will have a determinant of order 2 cross 2 as X, P, Z and R. Again, we should write C, that is plus C, and then we will try to find out the determinant of order 2 cross 2 in the same fashion, that is X, P, Y, Q. X, P, Y and Q. Now, a 2 cross 2 determinant, you know how to expand a 2 cross 2 determinant? Just multiply the leading diagonal first, that is A in the bracket YR, and then subtract the second diagonal product, that is ZQ, minus B into XR minus PZ, and plus C into XQ minus PY. So this is your value of determinant A. So whenever a numerical problem is given to you, just write the numbers in this determinant form, and after writing the number, you have to expand that determinant in this fashion. You will get a numerical value. Remember, for a non-singular matrix, the value of determinant should not be 0. So not equals to 0. Therefore, we should write A inverse exist. A inverse exist. Now, after writing this, A inverse exist, we will proceed as the steps shown previously. So, what about the steps? Now, we will start with step 1. That is step 1. We will try to find out what you have taken in step 1. That is step 1. Since determinant A not equals to 0, therefore, A is a non-singular matrix matrix, hence A inverse exists. Remember, A inverse exists only when A is a non-singular matrix. For that, you have to find the value of determinant of that matrix. After finding the value of determinant, we should start with step 2. That is, step 2 is for finding the minors of each of the element. Now, how to find the minor? We should start with minor of A. Minor of A. Remember, this A should be written in first bracket. Now, in the matrix, original matrix, delete row and column in which A lies. You will have a determinant. In 2 cross 2 matrix, you will have an element. So you can write that element directly. So it is easier to find the inverse of a 2 cross 2 matrix. But here, for a 3 cross 3 matrix, whenever you are going to find the inverse, you first of all, you have to find the minor of this element A. So to get the minor of this element, you have to delete row and column in which this A lies. And after deleting it, you will have a determinant of order 2 cross 2. That determinant you should write here. Y, Z, then Q, R. Now try to find out the value of this determinant, that is YR minus QZ. So this is minor of A. In the same fashion, we should try to find out the minor of B as well as C as well as X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. So what is the minor of B? Minor of B you can calculate. That is determinant X, Z, P, R. And the value will be XR minus PZ. Minor of C is equal to determinant XY, PQ. And the value will be XQ minus PY. Similarly, minor of X. Minor of X, that is, if you delete the row and column in which X lies, that is XYZ you have to delete and AXP you have to delete. So what you will get? You will get BC and then QR. So the determinant is BCQR and the expansion will be BR minus QC. Similarly, minor of Y. Now, to find the minor of Y, delete the row and column in which Y lies. This row and column, you will have a 2 cross 2 determinant as AP and then CR. APCR. And the expansion will be AR minus CP. Again, minor of Z. Minor of Z is equal to determinant. Again, for minor of Z, delete the row and column in which Z lies. You will have a 2 cross 2 determinant, that is A, P and then BQ. A, P, BQ. And the value will be AQ minus BP.